Alright guys, what's going on? Today we'll be looking at how to bind a function to a maybe a button or something else. So firstly, let's create our button, since we are going to be using button in this tutorial, and I'm just going to call my variable button, and I'm going to set this equal to our button. And in here I'm just going to pass in the root, because that's where the button is going, and we just want to maybe like display a text on the button, maybe something like click me. Okay, let me just use that. The text is just going to be equal to just click me. And after this, we want maybe something to happen when we actually click this button, so we're just going to call command, and we're just going to set this command equal to then we just go above. Yeah, I'm just create maybe the function, so we're just going to call def I'm just going to use click me. So this is going to be the function, and the event that is going to take place after this is being clicked is just going to print out something. So we just print out hey there. So now that we have gotten our function, we just have to come down here and put that in called click me. So now that I've gotten this, let's just go down and actually call our button, and what we are just going to do is just to pack it to the windows. So now that we have gotten this, let's run this and see. So this is our button. You can actually see it. Okay, what if I click on it? You see that I did print it out here. You can click on it. So this is how you create interactive binding. You can actually bind function to your widgets. So as always, thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video, and if you have any questions, you can feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I will do so to answer it. Thank you. Bye.